Yep. What's good? It's your boy Goon Frost, aka Goon Frost Daddy, aka Uncle Shane. And y'all already know what it is. Welcome back to Sleep with Dogs. First and foremost, we finna get out this suit. We getting out this suit. Cause I don't wanna remember what happened. I don't wanna remember what happened about that either. So rifle, what grenade launcher? It just gives me that? Okay, let's see what we gonna rock today. Nah. I do need some more face up. Nah, 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 nah. We're gonna go back to the Unknown Warrior joint. Cause I need some more face. But today, I don't know. Let's get some of these yellow blips going. So we're gonna do favors. In this episode, we're gonna do favors. Do I have to do cop jobs? Like, is that a thing I have to do? Man, I got a lot of shit I gotta get. Oh my god. Do I have to do cop jobs? I'm gonna say no. So we're gonna go and do some of these favors and whatnot. Why is it raining? Not gonna lie to y'all, I do not remember what happened last time. Okay. What's going on? Hello? Y'all better move. Y'all better move. Did I never get this one? Apparently I have it. Y'all see that? Right down the street from me. Just ignore it, though. Just ignore it, Daddy. Just ignore it. I know you want it, but just ignore it. Alright, yeah, let's do some of these favors. Why is it so hard to handle this? Oh my god. What the fuck did you do?
Wait, I'm counting on you. We are both Sun On Yi, right?
What's going on, man?
18K all over. They're going to kill me. Can you get us a car and get us out of here?
Get your ass. Get your ass in the car. God, y'all just. I'm lying.
That's the first of them.
Oh,
Let's go.
okay. Yeah, that car exploded. It's not really good. All else fails, get that tire. All else fails, get them tires.
What the hell did you say to him?
Nothing. Well, that's all. And they jumped me, and I think I might have broken some guy's leg. I don't know what his big problem is. Whatever. They're assholes. 18 fucking K. We'll get them some other time.
Boy, shut the. I swear, y'all some different kind of stupid.
safe. Let me out. I can take it from here.
Get out.
Thanks again.
They so stupid. Yeah, I got the race set on. Sorry, y'all. I gotta make sure I got the right shit on. Alright. Did that one? I don't want to do that outro. Let's go to this temple and see what the fuck crack-a-lacking over there. So, how y'all doing? I'm doing pretty well. I'm just tired. You know what I mean? I'm just tired. Been working on some new music, so get ready for that. Not the best at making music, so most of my stuff is collaboration, but I mean, I don't think y'all mind. And if you do, suck my tit. Alright, we're here. Let's put that up. Alright, what the fuck is this? I just gotta beat their ass. Okay. Who first? Nope. Nope. Oh, damn. Okay. What? No, sir. Eat that. Come on. Yeah, you ate that. What's up? What's up? You ain't thought. You ain't thought. Oh, damn. Get the shit out of me. Come on, get up, man. I'll tell you what. Get up. Oh, okay. Just throwing me out. That's cool. What? Come on, my face on now. What we doing? What we doing? What is that flashing? What y'all want? Call me what you want, but you can't call me broke, bruh. Y'all is doing me dirty. Okay, what's up? Yeah, look, I ain't got the yeah, I ain't got the thing on me right now. What? No, sir. No, sir. Run over here and get this real quick. Matter of fact, I'm finna go up here and grab this shrine. Cause y'all ain't finna come get me, right? They shouldn't. Hold on, look like they moving on. Hold on. Nah, I'm good. Alright. Let me go over here and see what shit they was talking. What? What? Come on, man. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Come on. Stop being scared. Shit, he slugged the fuck out of me. Stop being scared. Come on. Nah, you ain't thought. Come on. I know you ain't thought. One left. Where you at? Where you at? I just want to talk. I thought it was one left. Okay, what the fuck is this bullshit? I can't even grab him. Oh. Okay. What's up? Damn. Damn. Come on. Come on, bro. I'm slugging people. Nope. I don't smoke that. No, someone with that. No, someone with that. Come on. No, someone with that. No, someone with that. No, someone with that. You can go on somewhere with that. You can go on somewhere with that. Come on, man. Come on with it. Come on. Oh. You can go on somewhere with that. You feel me? Yes, sir. Cause I'm a hustler, baby. I got a decoration. Okay. Okay. Y'all saw that? Light work. What's next? Death by 1,000 cuts. That's a very slow, methodical ass way to die. Like they cut you each time, but they make sure you don't bleed out. Like who even thought of that? Who even was like, yeah, 1,000 cuts for your ass. I'm gonna cut your ass 1,000 times and make sure you don't die. Who has the patience for that shit? Oh, fuck my shit up. Like, that's my question. Who got the patience to do that? I know I don't. Hell, even in this game, I ain't got the patience. Didn't I already get this? Apparently fucking not. I stay missing shit. And apparently it's another thing over here. What is this? What the question? Let me do this one first. Then I'm gonna do the other. I gotta see what the fuck this is. Oh no. I know what this is. Fuck. Fuck, I remember this. Fuck. This one I had to use. When I first played this game, I had to use the Wing Chun on this because it was so goddamn hard. Yeah, I remember this shit. Yeah. Oh my god. Bro, I died. Y'all hear me tapping this fucking dodge, but I know you do. Ooh. Bro. Yeah, I'm gonna need the one time shit. Plus 25. Plus 25, hell. Come on. Okay. God damn. Ah. No. No. Bruh. I was at the end. Why I gotta prove myself? I'm a red pole. Shouldn't Conroy be doing this? Like seriously, shouldn't Conroy be doing this?
Son of a bitch.
Okay, alright, bro. You doing a whole topsy-turvy type shit. You can calm down with this. He kicked me. Why am I getting poisoned from a kick? I'm dodging. This game is trying to act like I'm not fucking dodging. And I know I'm goddamn dodging. Bruh. Bruh. Do I have my gun? Do I have my gun? No. Okay. Be great if Poison Blaze also worked on their ass. Jesus Christ. Come on. I should not be getting poisoned from no goddamn kicks. God, I hate this shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Kills. Bruh. Bruh. There's people landing on me and shit. Bruh, how is this game fair right now? Please, God. I don't want to do this again. Please, I don't want to do this shit again. No. Come on. Come on. Bruh, it's some bullshit. This is some bullshit. Oh my God, this is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. This gonna take forever. This is some bullshit. Bruh. I can't dodge the second one. Can you even dodge the second one? I love when I stop attacking and still get fucking hit. That's great for me. Okay, so you can dodge the second one. It's just fucking stupid. And hella goddamn sensitive. What the fuck? Did he grab me and I have a knife? But I can't grab people with knives. Bruh, kicks should not be fucking poisoning me. Somebody need to fix this goddamn game. Kicks should not be fucking poisoning me. Alright. No, we gotta run. We gotta run. It's already been 20 minutes. There's people fucking landing on me. I cannot dodge this second. No matter how hard I'm trying. Okay. Bruh. Okay. At some point, just start tapping one. Even if you know you dodging it, tap one. See, what the fuck? What the fuck? Nah, I'm about to just start sawing this. Dog, I can't do shit. What the fuck is this game? I can't do nothing. What the fuck is this game? What the fuck is this game? Please stop. Please. No. No, 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 no. No. No! Fuck! Ooh! 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 Yeah, we quit. And it sends me to. We cheating. We cheating. We cheating. Yeah, we cheating. Mm-hmm. Wing Chun it is. We cheating. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. No, just give me the Wing Chun. Give me the Wing Chun. I ain't coming back in here. But it's the same thing. Okay. Fuck it. Oh, can I? I can practice. I don't really. Bro, this crazy. I didn't know I could do this. What? Oh no. Oh no, we beating ass now. No. Matter of fact, give me some. Give me some good. You know what? Let me fuck around.
Don't go too crazy on this one. Wait.
Stop dick around. Watch out. I should have got some tea. I'm passing out of good for each one of them places. Watch out, because I'm tired of this. I'm sick of this. Why every time I do that, it damn near fucks my car up? Like, do y'all understand? What the fuck is that? I don't know how the hell we did that. Yeah, come the fuck on.
Son of a bitch!
I'm still. Dog, what the fuck? Okay, how am I still getting hit by that? How am I still getting hit by this shit? What the fuck? Alright, cut the bullshit. Cut the bullshit. Cut the bullshit. We just gonna start slicing niggas. Cause dog, I am tapping the fuck out of triangle. Now I'm still getting my shit robbed. What? No. We fine without the Cleaver. We fine without the Cleaver. This Cleaver's a piece of shit. We're fine without it. Matter of fact, first person to come down here, surprise. Fuck the bullshit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. It's an immediate one shot? Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Hold the fuck on. No, it ain't sound right. Hold on. I know that's some bullshit. Sick of this shit. That I was nowhere near that person. Fuck you. No. No. Fuck you. One for flinching. Give me that.
Son of a bitch!
So they that close and they gonna do shit. Makes sense. Come on.
我畫返佢塊面，我覺得你搞錯咗啊！插撚佢嘅撚樣！
No. Nope.
我畫返佢塊面，細路唔驚就走先啦！剪咗佢出嚟！
What the? How the fuck did he just throw that knife?
劈佢老母！剪咗佢出
Dog,
嚟！
just throw everything. Just throw it.
返佢塊面，打爆佢！
Bro, that's all I gotta do. Oh shit. Oh, I knew they was gonna bring that big motherfucker. Fuck you. No, 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 not when I done came this damn far. No, fuck you, man. No, fuck you, man. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my god, dude. Fuck that mission. I'm serious. Fuck that mission, bro. Oh my god. That shit was ass. Where the fuck is my car? Gone. Of course it is. Ain't it something like over here somewhere? I think. Man.
Hey, this way. I need a car.
Sorry, I don't have any time.
Did he just say he does not have a car for him? Okay. What the is it this car? Is it this car? Or is there something going on over here? Hello? Do I talk to these people? No, it's this car. What the fuck?
What? I never thought that cheap bastard Harry will pay a ransom.
Who's Harry?
You don't know. You know what? Never mind. You didn't see me. I was never here. Thank you.
What the fuck? Bro, give me a car. Get.
Hey, this way. I need a car.
Sorry, I don't have any time.
How do you not have a car? And a goddamn taxi. Electric. electronics. I don't know. That's funny. Taxi. Not gonna find a taxi. Might as well just get a car. Man, fuck that mission though. Seriously. Jesus Christ.
Can I help you?
That mission was complete ass.
I wish I could live your life just for one day.
Stop dick riding. We're finna go do this one, and we gonna be done. In the next video, we gonna continue on with the main story missions. Oh my god. I remember why I hated that one so much. I hope I don't ever have to play through this game again. I really hope I don't have to play through this game again. Because if I do, I'm gonna cry. What the fuck is that? What the fuck you mean, Cal?
Wait, help! I'm coming for money! That guy just took it! He tricked me!
Don't you fuckers ever learn? No way, asshole. That's my fake money.
Give my money. Give my shit. Don't get in that car. What did I just say? What did I just say? Bro, it's almost like these folks stupid or something. I've never seen what's over here. Howdy do, fellas. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. I don't know why y'all tried it. Y'all could have just went on with your regular life. Just a lot about it. Don't let the trucks reach everything. A minute? I need to. That's right. That's Come on. It's almost over. Well, that was easy. What is a triad enforcer? Bro, it took away my waypoint. This shit don't never fucking do right. I don't even remember what that is right there. There you go. All the way back. I'm not gonna make y'all watch that. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate y'all for watching, the folks that do. And that's it. Love, peace, and chicken.